Hey guys, good morning. Today is January 21, Wednesday, and nandito kami sa park ni Ernie, ng aking dog. Winawalk ko lang siya kasi ilang araw na kaming walang labas sa bahay. Malamig, and it's 0 degrees Celsius today. Ay, super lamig ngayon. And ang ganda dito guys, ito yung malapit na park sa bahay namin. So hindi kami ngayon sa they call that sa walkway. Nasa loob kami ng forest. And yeah, sobrang tahimik, no? Alam niyo yung namimiss ko sa Pilipinas, yung ingay ng kapitbahay and yung ingay ng mga manok, yung mga friends ko and family. Alam niyo yung namiss ko yung may inuman. Invite mo lang yung mga friends and ang bilis ng ganap. Dito guys, sobrang busy ng mga tao. Ang hirap mag-set ng mga schedules ng meet up kasi parang yung life mo dito is work. Ganun lang yung life nila dito. And ako wala, hindi pa ako nag-work, wala pa akong work permit. So yung aking job is full-time husband tayo guys. And ang dami kong realization ngayon na halos mag 1 year na ako dito. Sana mas in-enjoy ko yung time ko with friends and family. Ngayon kasi parang yun yung cravings natin. Kaso ang hirap. Grabe, ni wala akong family member dito. Or meron akong mga, I consider them friends na na-meet ko na sila ng 2 times, 3 times, ganun. Ang hirap mag-maintain ng friendship dito kasi puro busy yung mga tao. And share ko nga pala sa inyo yung aking New Year's resolution. I hope maano ko siya, ma-fulfill, charot, English. So sana maano ko siya, no, magawa. Yung gusto kong gawin ngayon is kahit once a week lang makapag-upload ng YouTube video. Meron kasi akong pina-follow na YouTuber. Kung alam ko, kilala niyo siya, si Marvin Samaco. Na-inspire ako sa kanya. Ilang years siyang nagbo-vlog, nag-share ng life niya. Halos yung mga vlog niya is traveling. Kaya nagugustuhan ko yung mga vlogs niya kasi ang natural pa niya and very humble na YouTuber. Kaya ko siya pinapanood. Kaya ako na-motivate na mag-vlog kamukha sa kanya. Kasi ang simple lang ng life niya, sinishare niya and na-entertain na ako. Sabi ko, possible naman pala kahit wala ka naman big personality. As long as post ka lang ng post and you will find your people. Yung mga people na makaka-appreciate ng personality mo, yung humor mo, ganun. Dati kasi para akong nag-trying hard na maging funny. In real life, hindi naman talaga ako funny. Hindi naman ako comedian. Sa group of friends namin, siguro ako yung tahimik lang. Alam mo yung nasa sulok na tumatawa. Ganon. Halos lahat ng mga friendship ko is mga palaf. Yung mga work nila sa buhay ay magpatawa. Ganon. Ako yung nakikitawa lang sa sulok. And yeah, nasabi ko na ba sa inyo na yung weather today is 0 siya guys. Pero kailangan ko ng sunlight. Kailangan ko ng nature at lumabas. Para ako nasa twilight, no guys. Ang ganda, no? And ang lapit lang nito sa bahay namin. One thing is I'm very grateful is na dito kami nakatira sa state na to. Kasi ang ganda ng state na to guys. Ang lucky ko na dito kami nakatira kasi tignan nyo naman guys. Everyday pwede ko tong puntahan. Yung view namin. Winter pa to guys ha. Alam nyo pag spring, ang ganda dito. Mas malawak and green yung kapaligiran. And yung aso ko ay mag-earn na siya. Alam ko yung senyalis ng magtatais siya. Naghahanap na siya ng pwesto niya. So yeah, yan. Share ko lang yung view. Ang ganda no guys. Grabe. Sana in the next couple of years, alam mo yung makapag-travel ako sa mga iba't ibang states. Yun yung aking goal. Yung makompleto ko yung 50 states. Yung aking goal in life dito sa US. Kasi kada state, iba-iba yung itsura ba. Para na siyang iba-ibang bansa. Kasi ang laki ng US. And ano pa lang yung mga napuntahan ko. Vegas, Oregon, Portland, Idaho. Marami pa akong di napupuntahan kaya excited ako sa future travels namin ni Sterling. And meron din ako mga gustong puntahan in Asia na hindi pa napupuntahan. And ayun, ang dami ko ding regrets in life. Alam mo, share ko na rin. Ang dami kong travel na hindi ko binityohan, hindi ako nag-take ng maraming picture. Tapos ngayon kapag gusto ko nang balikan yung memories, hindi ko na siya mabalikan kasi wala na. And meron din akong, alam nyo, gusto ko na mag-start mag-vlog. Way back na nasa Dubai pa ako. Gusto ko na talaga siyang start na vlogging. Kaso lang, alam nyo, meron akong in-upload na vlog. I-delete ko. Kasi sa sobrang, anong tawag dito? Gusto ko perfect siya. Gusto ko mukhang vlogger na agad. Dahil napapangitan ako at nakikringe. Dinilit ko siya. And ngayon nagsisisi ako. Wala tuloy ako ni isang video ko sa Dubai na 2 years ako nakatira doon. Wala akong memories na pwedeng balikan. So yun lang. Medyo nagsisisi ako. Kaya ngayon puro video ako guys. Puro video, puro picture. Ganon din ako nag-start sa pag-content creation. This morning nagtitingin ako ng mga email ko. Nakita ko yung mga contracts ko sa mga brands. Ang laki din pala ng aking kinita. Siguro active lang ako ng 2 years, 3 years. Pero naka 6 digits. Imagine, ang lit ko lang na content creator. Kaya kayo guys, kung gusto nyo mag-start ng content creation, content creating, start now. Kahit sa tingin yung cringe kayo or what, alam nyo madedevelop yun. Konting practice, yan. Kahit gantong simpleng araw, mag-video kayo until makuha nyo yung timpla na magiging parang natural na lang yung pag-video. Ay, ang ganda talaga dito guys. Yan, nandito ako sa loob ng forest kasi iniiwasan ko yung mga tao. Nagwa-wild kasi tong aso namin. Hindi siya sanay pa sa mga tao. Kaya yung isang goal ko din ngayon is i-train siya na masanay sa mga tao. Kasi the last time na nag-travel nga kami sa Leavenworth, so pinapopisit namin siya dun sa friend namin. And then yung friend namin, medyo parang hindi siya happy sa pagbabantay sa aso namin kasi tumai siya sa loob ng bahay niya, like sa bedroom niya. So ngayon naiya ako. And yung gusto kong gawin ngayon is i-training tong si Ernie na maging ano ba sa mga tao, yung masanay sa tao. And nagwa-wild kasi talaga siya. So isa sa mga goal ko this year ang ma-training tong aso na to kasi one day uuwi kami ng Pilipinas like 2 months ganun, so para yung magbabantay hindi siya masa-stress kasi ang mahal ng puppy sit dito guys, $90 per day yata. Imagine that kung 2 months kaming ipapaboard namin tong aso na to, grabe yung gastos na yun. So dito na lang siguro, nakakatakot dito, wait. So ayun nga, yes, yun lang yung mga realization ko in life ngayong araw na to. Masaya ding mag-video para ako nagjo-journal. Hindi ako mahilig magbasa and magsulat. Ito yung hilig ko guys, yung pag-video, pag-edit. Dati pa talaga hilig ko na to. Pero sa sobrang mahiyain ako, hindi ko na isi-share yung life ko. Ngayon naging 32 years old ako. Ngayon ko gusto i-document yung life ko. Para in the future, meron akong babalikan na memories. Lalo na itong mga beginnings ko dito sa US. sobrang ma-appreciate ko tong video na to. Yes, yun lang. Kahit na medyo magulo dito ngayon sa bansa kung nasan ako, nag-iingat na lang ako. Hindi ako masyadong palagala ngayon dito kasi alam nyo na, kailangan mag-ingat. Pumapasyal lang ako ngayon dito sa mga malapit sa amin. Ang saya ko pa naman nung nagka-driver's license na ako na akala ko makakagala na ako. Tapos biglang naging ganito yung situation. Which is okay lang naman. Kasi wala pa naman akong work permit. Wala talaga akong mapupuntahan or mapapasyalan. Ang mahal din dito guys ng paglabas-labas. Kapag lumabas ka, hindi pwedeng hindi ka gumastos ng at least $40. Mga ganun. Gas, food. Mahal talaga yung life dito sa US. Kaya now, I understand kung bakit yung mga tao dito puro trabaho. Yeah. Oh my God, hiningal ako guys. Hiningal ako. Pero ang ganda oh, tignan nyo to. Wow. Para talaga siyang Twilight, no? At dito talaga sinut yung Twilight guys, sa state na to. Pero parang 4 hours away yung mismong forest. Nagpunta na kami doon. Yun nga lang, hindi sa mismong forest. Actually, merong mga museum ng Twilight. Kasi hindi na rin namin pinasukan that time. Kasi medyo may kamahalan siya. Yeah. So, tama na muna yung chika na to guys. Pero i-vlog ko pa rin tong araw na to. Update ko na lang kayo mamaya guys. See ya! Hey guys! Good afternoon! Anong oras na? 3:57 na. And nagnap ako after ng walk sa park. I got really tired. An hour of walking.
Oh, poor you! Such a rough day!
So it's Costco day today. And magpapa-car wash din kami. Kasi since nung road trip namin, paglabas ko ng bahay, nakita ko yung car. Grabe ang pagkaputik ng kotse na to. And kasama namin si Ernie. And papakita ko sa inyo dito. Paano yung car wash dito? Ano lang yung parang automatic. Sabi online, masama siya para sa mga car. Kasi nga yung parang umiikot. Meron siya mga bato-bato. Pero nakakatamad kasi maglinis ng kotse dito na malamig. Sobrang lamig tapos nababasa ka. So, yeah.
Whatever, you never wear a hat, you never wear gloves, you only wear a jacket.
No, I was talking about doing car wash on winter.
Oh, that you got to drive through.
Right? Sobrang lamig, guys. Kahit, even, cleaning the front of the house and you're holding the hose, it's too cold. It's so cold. Ay, may mga police China.
They're coming for us.
Oh my God. Eme. Okay, update ko na lang kayo mamaya. Bye-bye! So, nandito na tayo sa, guys, sa car wash thing. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Lagay ko na lang kayo here para makita nyo ng buo. We're gonna go in! Wow! Oh. Clean.
It is.
Ah. Okay. Ernie, are you okay? Ernie, you're shaking. Oh my God. Nagsishake yung doggy. Ernie, you okay? Ernie, you okay?
Oh, that later.
Ayan na, dry na siya kaagad.
Suppose we should pull those. I don't know. I just gotta go back around and do the game over.
Ernie, it's done. Ernie.
He's like, what hell was that?
He's shaking. Okay guys, we're in Costco. I have to make sure this is recording.
I don't know if he
It's recording.
allowed to do that.
I check on this.
But I know people are in Costco recording.
It's now recording. See, these cameras, they said
Check 1 2. Check check.
it's introvert friendly. You can take videos.
Introvert hanging out with his extrovert husband.
Yeah. So we have to return this, guys.
That's your job.
Yeah, sobrang laki niya for Ernie.
You're gonna go do that. You have a card. I'm gonna go shop.
Hello, I have a return here.
All right, 1644 back on your card, okay? sir?
Okay,
There you are.
thank
You're
you.
welcome.
That was fast.
Told you. Acting like you're such a big deal.
In the Philippines, it's like a big.
Not a big deal here. I told you.
Yeah.
Best return policies.
It's on. What's this?
It's a portable monitor.
Oh.
So maybe you're working on your laptop and you need that second screen.
Oh, I thought in the kitchen, so you can look
No,
for.
no, it's only a screen.
Okay.
See, monitor, $80.
Ah, if you're working.
Our tree is supposed to look like that.
Yeah, it's supposed to look like this.
So can we buy this and we'll return the other?
It's the different pot though. Oh, this is the money plant I have in the Philippines. They're low maintenance.
Dude, that one's ugly.
They're still alive.
I don't like the way that's all weed.
It's Asian look.
All right.
Okay, band paper. It,
Oh, paper.
it's here. $9. A4. 800 sheets. Did we just finish 800 sheets?
Yes, you did. And it's all in those binders.
Oh my god. It's the immigration stuff.
Yeah. You're making sure we have a copy of everything times 2.
Yeah, when they ask,
Yeah,
we
that's
have
fine.
it.
We have it.
I don't know why it's always turning into zoom in.
Nano?
This camera, it zoom automatically.
Oh, you're supposed to read the directions, have you?
Okay, this is the start.
Oh, look, it's on sale.
How? $30.
Look at 30, 60. Same thing.
Oh
It's
my
just, this is crypto
god.
brand. Still the same exact thing though.
Do they have my small orangey? Aren't they happy?
Yeah, but we bought them here last time. They went bad.
We'll check. They don't have that last time?
Yes, they
That
did.
batch? Oh,
Yeah. You had them go bad. I'm just telling you. Make sure you put them in the fridge.
yeah. I will check. If they're fresh.
Sure.
So, tignan natin tong mga orange na to. Kasi last time nasira yung mga binili ko. Oh, fresh sila.
I'll price you. We'll see, I'll price you twice in the store after this. There you go.
They're fresh.
How do you know?
Look how it's not
Oh,
squishy.
little green.
See?
Okay.
What's that?
Pomegranate.
You want some?
Well, I'm not gonna eat them all. I'm asking you if you like it.
Sure.
They're already out of the fruit.
It's like a snack.
Yeah.
Okay,
It's fruit snack.
let's try it.
You've had pomegranate, haven't you?
Yeah, juice.
Oh, you never had fruit? There's a lot of seed.
In a
not roughage.
in a salad.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, corn, but that's a lot of corn.
Yeah, that's a bit of corn.
Yeah.
We could go to Winco if you want some. You want croissants?
I don't know if chocolate chip or croissant.
Thought you're on a diet. So you want these or a chocolate chip?
Let's have that. So I can eat my Nutella with it.
Yeah. these
Yeah.
are- I think these are what she was talking
Ooh, I did donuts.
about. This is what she was talking about. Big neck. They're
Wow.
French chocolate hazelnut, which is what? Nutella.
Nutella.
Inside little. Shall we get some of these? You want
Should we try
these?
one?
You know.
Go ahead. Go.
Kimberly's gonna be laughing.
We're gonna be fat
No
together.
cookies. No cookies. You get those instead.
Okay. Okay, steak now.
Okay, go look at meat. You sure there's no more veggies?
I'm gonna check. Okay guys, nasama ko na kayo before dito sa Costco pero yeah, magtitingin lang ako ng gulay if meron kaming kailangan. Okay. What kind of steak she said? This is what the one we're getting, right? What
I like this better than.
Why? This is with fat.
Yeah, that's what I hate. How big of sticks do you want? You want big sticks or you want a bunch of like that size?
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Those are too big, right?
yeah.
That's still $53.
Yeah, well, but the other ones are like 90.
25 a pound. This is 10.
Okay. I wanna do this. But $40? Pwede siyang pang nilagang ano, baka.
What's this for?
Ay,
soup?
oxtail.
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
but it's $40.
Buy a smaller one at Winco. See,
Ah,
whole ribeye. See, they're $300 for one, but you get $60 off. They are probably picked through all the small ones, but you'd have to cut all that, process it, freeze it.
we don't have this space.
No.
Yeah. This ay pork lumpia. Pork lumpia. Oh my god. Lumpia, guys. Oh my god.
What about these?
Pork lumpia. Oh, they're like half cooked.
Yeah.
Ah. Do we have space for two?
This is refrigerated.
Family meal. Ah, so the whole thing?
It's all meatballs. We can freeze some.
Sure.
You process, freeze some, right?
Yeah.
You love meatballs in your pasta.
Yeah.
Up.
Can we get that salad with the crunchy thing?
Sure, go get it.
Yeah. Ito yung favorite kong salad here. Ito yung paborito kong salad sa Costco. How much is this? Ay! $13.
What the hell are those? Oh
Chocolate.
my God.
With pistachio inside. Dubai chocolate inside. Oh my god.
What happened to your diet?
No, we just got those balls.
Ladies and gentlemen, what do you think we should do?
My god. No, we just got those cookie or something. See, not good for us. There's too much now.
Okay.
Okay. Water radish? Is it?
Is that an Asian thing?
Yeah, it's radish.
Is that like kimchi kind
Yeah, like a kimchi.
of? Weren't we out of those radishes, the ones that we usually get? Do you want to try that instead? Or no?
You wanna try one?
This stuff, kind of stuff we like, isn't it?
You can eat it with noodles on the side.
Yeah, let's try it. Side dish, right?
Yeah.
Well, the grocery outlet had a dozen for $1.
Eggs?
Yep.
That's cheap.
The chickens are back in business.
Okay.
Dozen eggs for 50 peso.
Okay, now dishwashing. For the dishwasher.
How are we on TP?
Yeah, we need toilet paper.
There it is.
That's a lot.
It'll last us a year.
Ultra soft. This is
only 231 sheets.
so this is like
Basic and premium for your butt. So which one?
I don't know. I use the bidet. I use this to wipe the pee on the toilet.
So just be breaking it. Oh, this is his favorite section. It's cleaning stuff.
I'm the one cleaning the house.
You look at 24 pieces for 15.
We still have some, but
Yeah, because I bought them and they've been lasting for years.
yeah. There, let's try the Kirk one.
Oh, they're only $12.48. How many is this? Wait a minute. No, 115 of them.
Let's try one.
Okay. It's risky. We're gonna try it. Save a little money. Are you out of your stuff?
I still have 6,
That's a while.
right?
He drinks a lot of coconut water.
Yeah, every meal.
We imported all the way from Asia.
Matcha powder. They have matcha, but guys, $27.99. Too much.
We should have eaten before we came here. I'm hungry. That makes me want to buy more when I'm hungry.
I wanna try this. Try. So this is $6.99. Cheddar. You know that Philippine snack? Looks like that.
Yeah. There's something similar in the Philippines. I don't
Yeah.
forget what it's called.
Nov. Is it Piatos Nova?
Quail egg. Oh, you saw me in your last egg. You bought like your months of.
Which one?
I don't know, there's eggs in the refrigerator. They'll be sitting there forever.
What's this ube thing?
Flavored milk drink.
It's ube drink.
I don't know. Whenever it says flavored milk drink, I don't know. You'd have to look at the ingredients to make sure it's really ube. I don't know.
It's ube flavored.
Look at more coconut water.
So merong ube drink. I don't know, na-excite ako pag Filipino stuff. Kasi madalang lang dito sa store namin na may Filipino products. So yun. Pero I'm trying to
Those are bad for you now. They've listed them as a cancer one food.
Oh, we've been eating those for a while.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna start eating canned chicken, canned tuna, and real ham.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. It's clothing.
No.
No?
I just ordered clothes.
Okay.
Okay, what else? I need my skincare cotton.
You're supposed to buy skincare at Trader Joe's now.
Weird.
Yeah, they're copying all the high-end Korean stuff now. Did you know that?
No, I need just the pods. Cotton pads.
Cotton balls or pads?
Yeah, the pads.
Just wildflower.
You know those fruits in a jar? I should have bought it before when we were here.
Well, you can buy it here now.
I don't know if they're still here.
You're gonna throw over. It's here year-round. That's like canned fruit, jarred fruit.
Yeah, I wanna try it.
You're talking about the peaches?
Yeah, they went viral on TikTok.
I kept telling you to buy them. You're like, nah. Kept telling you they're kind of similar to the
Spicy
mango.
mushroom soup. 11.
Oh, you know you gotta try it. It's $4 off. It's on sale.
You know what? We can mix our rice cake.
Just get one.
We can mix the rice cake.
How many are there in there?
So how many pieces?
3.
Only
3 pouches. So that's enough for 2
It's
people.
the
I'm
same
sure.
brand.
It's 3 per.
Okay. Boom.
We're getting a bit of food, huh?
Okay guys, we're gonna get this whole peaches for $10. Looks yummy. Kunin natin yung buo-buo. Look, it's $10.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna
Or are
get.
you gonna get those ones?
No, I want this. That looks yummy.
These don't look yummy? That's the Kirkland version. See? Oh, no, that's fine. Price-wise, it's just as good.
Yeah. So
Looks so fancy.
I know.
They're not sliced, though. There's a pit in the middle. You understand that?
Yeah.
Like a mango.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's fine.
You've never had a whole peach peeps like that. Or have you
I-
liked fresh here?
Yeah.
You like some, didn't you?
Yeah. They're like mango. We need the hand soap. That's what we
You
need.
need hand soap?
Yeah.
Botanical collection right here for $12.99.
Get. So the old ones, I'm gonna throw them away.
Yeah.
We don't use the old ones.
Isn't this it? What do you think?
They're big. See one upstairs,
4 pieces.
downstairs, kitchen sink.
3 something each.
Where's my pads? Cotton pads. They don't have it. Wait, maybe here. Nasaan na yung cotton pads na binibili ko? Bakit wala? Ah. Okay, bili na lang ako online. Wala silang cotton pads. Ay, nasaan na si Sterling? Ayun. Ang daming snacks dito, guys. What?
They have to have it.
No, they don't have it.
Really?
I'm not sure if I bought it in Amazon. So, ito yung prices ng mga damit dito. $13. Etong jeans na to. Kaso skinny, hindi na ako nagsa-skinny. $18. Ito yung nakita ko online. Costco. Look at this. Costco.
You know what? In the Philippines, that might be popular, right?
Ano?
With your Trader Joe bag.
Oh my God. Ito lahat ng pinamili namin, guys. Can you see them?
It's all food.
Can you see the cart?
It's our groceries.
Oh, look at
industrial.
this.
Steel.
Yeah.
Can handle any weight you put on it.
Like a garage thing. You wanna check for iPod, right? Just look at the price now.
I feel more like if we invest again, we would have to get a
A laptop.
laptop that's high-end memory and stuff.
This one.
That's not a laptop.
Ito naman yung mga iPad. Yung kapatid ko binili namin ng iPad here. 400, 55. What if instead of drone you get?
Oh, so when I'm at home.
Yeah, for you. I have mine. You get yours for your, you know, that chart thing.
Chart thing. So this is what you have. Pro.
Yeah, but it's not M5.
Well, it's because we bought it 2 years ago. or
Yeah.
whatever. But at the time, it was
The thing.
and I spent over $1,000 for it.
Oh, these are the heavy. You can use like a hardcore graphic
Which is better for editing.
Yeah, for editing, AI, for the sunroom.
We're just spending more money. Still
No,
gotta finish the sunroof.
I know, just looking.
Oh, look. Sleeper.
Yeah. Oh, see, this is the color I wanted.
So sit on it.
It's not that soft.
I'm guessing I'd rather have this in there. That's ugly though.
But this is not dog friendly.
Why? It's leather.
It's gonna scratch.
Power recline. Just press the buttons on the side. Because you're so lazy you can't manually recline, right?
Oh.
Can't Mark just sleep in that if he comes over?
No. Okay, let's just look around. Oh my god. Maybe this.
That's cheap furniture.
Right? For the sunroom, you can just lay. Oh, this is like a whole setup.
Yeah.
Oh, this is like Sean's.
Yeah.
$2,000. Oh. Oh, but this is comfy though. Like, you can.
That's too big.
Yeah.
That's smaller. That one has a bed in it. So that pulls out into a bed.
Oh yeah, that.
Sleeper sectional.
Put this in the sunroom.
Yeah.
Is that space enough?
12 foot by 12 foot room.
How much is this?
1,600. Same price as the laptop.
We rather.
You'll have some in here.
Yeah. I mean, in the future.
We'll see what they have. Can't
Or-
buy anything till that something's done. Those are Nutella.
This Dubai chocolates. We've been seeing it but we never buy it. So nakauwi na kami and ganito yung ginagawa namin guys. Bumibili kami ng steak. Ito yung steak beef loin. Magkano ba to? $53. So maramihan na siya and binabacuum seal ko siya para hindi siya kaagad masira. Tama ba yun? And naka-freezer siya. So, ganito yung ginagawa ko. Pinagsasama-sama ko yung same sizes. And dinadry ko muna siya kasi yung sabaw niya pumapasok sa mismong machine, equipment, charot. Hindi ko alam ng tawag dito. Pero ganyan ginagawa ko. Yung pinamili namin guys, I suggest huwag kayong pupunta ng grocery na gutom. Umabot siya ng $317. Nakakaloka yung grocery dito guys. Sobrang mahal. So yeah, ano pa ba yung pinamili namin? Hindi ko na siya maipakita kasi ang dami. Nakikita niyo man sa likod right? Marami siya. Ay, and excited ako i-try to. See, meron kami ditong biniling Dubai chocolate. Ang tagal ko na nakikita to pero never ko pa siyang na-try. And meron din kaming binili na nag-viral sa TikTok. And gusto ko lang siyang i-try. Ito siya guys, peaches. Buo siya. I don't know, I can't remember kung magkano to. $15, $10. Gusto ko siyang itry. Mukha siyang masarap. Feel ko nasa ano siya, syrup yung tubig sa loob. Yeah. And excited din ako itry itong mini something chocolate. Mukha siyang donuts. Pero hindi donut yung nakalagay. Mukha siyang masarap. So yun lang guys yung ating vlog for today. I hope na-enjoy nyo yung mga ganitong vlog. Yung aking daily life. Yung regular na ginagawa ko dito sa US. Kasi wala naman ako masyadong ganap pa now. And yeah, gusto ko lang gawin yung aking New Year's resolution na one vlog per week. I hope mapanindigan. So guys, dito ko natatapusin ang vlog na to. Wala na rin naman kami masyadong ganap and gabi na. Sana nagugustuhan nyo yung mga vlog na to. Kung hindi mag-iingay itong aso namin. And kung may suggestion kayo, comment nyo lang dyan. And see you guys on my next vlog. Bye!